Всем привет! Добро пожаловать на мой канал. Hello and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. Today we are going to write cursive to pronounce syllables and words in Russian. So you are going to improve your pronunciation, you are going to improve your writing skills and reading skills. Давайте начнем. Let's begin. And the first syllable, let's begin with the syllable. I will write syllables in pairs for you to see the difference in pronunciation. So the first pair is ты, ти. Ты, ти. Ты with ты, ти. Ты, ти. Now let's write it cursive. Ты and T, like this. Next pair is ат, ать, ат, ать, ат, ать, ат, ать. Here pay attention to the soft sign. T will be a little bit softer. Ать, ат, ать. Давайте напишем ат, ать. Okay, like this. Ат, ать. Don't forget to practice with me out loud and try to imitate my pronunciation, to copy my pronunciation. Да, дя. Да, дя. Again, я is softer than a. Да, дя. Да, дя. Now let's write it down. Да, да, and дя. Дя, да, дя. Отлично, пойдем дальше. Ду, дю. Ду, дю. Ду, дю. Ду, дю. Давайте напишем. Ду, дю. Ду, дю. Ду, дю. And now ды, ди. Ды, ди. Ды, ди. Cursive. Ды, ды, and ди. Ды, ди. Ды, ди. And let's write a word. For example, день, a day. День, день. Now let's write it cursive. День, день, and create a connection. День or not. День, because we will not continue. This is already a word. I'm sorry for that. So день is a day. День, день. Next syllables, next pair of syllables is тя, дя. Тя, тя, дя. Тя, дя. Тя, дя. Now let's write it cursive. Тя, дя. Дя. Тя, дя. Чо, дё with your letter. This one can be challenging for some people. Чо, дё. Чо, дё. Чо, что происходит? What's happening? Чо, дё. Чо, дё. Чо, дё. Чу, дю. Чу, дю. to, do. Пишем. To, do. Do and create a connection. Maybe you will continue writing here. To, do. To, do. Те, де. Те, де. Те, де. And cursive. Те, де. Те, де. Отлично. Ти, ди. Ти, ди. And cursive. Ти, ти, ди. Ти, ди. Sorry. Ti, di. And let's write a word. Divan, a sofa. For example, divan. Divan, a sofa. And let's write it cursive. Divan. Divan, a sofa. Divan. And last column is with words. First word is отец. Давайте напишем. Отец. Отец is father. Отец. Отец. Let's write it cursive. Отец. Отец. Next is мать. Mother. Мать. And cursive is мать. Oh, not with the, no. Sorry. Мать. 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 Like this. I'm sorry. Мать is mother. Мать. Следующее слово место. Место is a place. Место. Место. Let's write it cursive. Место. Место. Place or seat. Место. Метро. Метро. Metro is an underground, a metro. Metro. Метро. Метро. Книга. 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 And cursive. Книга. Книга. A book. Книга. Another word is нет. Нет. Let's write it cursive. Нет. 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 Or да. Да. Cursive is да. Да. Okay, let's write one more word here. And it is они. Они. Они means they. Они. Давайте напишем. Они. Они. They. And one more word here. And it is художник. I think we need more place. Художник, more space. Художник. Художник, because this one is a little bit longer. Художник is a painter, an artist. Художник. Давайте напишем. Художник. 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 That's all for this lesson. Short, but I hope it will be helpful. Спасибо большое, целую вас. See you tomorrow in the morning for my live classes. Целую, пока, чмоки-чмоки.